Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm first off going to apologize. I can't get much louder than this right now. I'm starting to get sick and my voice is just not working 100% right now. So I'm sorry I can't get much louder than this and I'm going to be kind of low energy throughout this video. But I really wanted to get this filmed because whether I sound like it or not, I'm very excited about today's video because today I have for you my November Boxycharm unboxing, and you guys know how much I like my Boxycharm. I am so happy that I upgraded. It's so good. And so this is the box this month. It is a little bigger than normal. Normally it actually fits into my very tiny university mailbox, but I actually had to go to the actual post office and get this picked up because it is a little bigger this month. So if you don't know, Boxycharm in November has officially upgraded. This is Boxycharm 2.0, which is guaranteed at least 5 items worth, I think it's $135 or $125, something like that. They also have Boxycharm Premium for an additional $35 a month, and then of course they still have their Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months, for an additional $50, I believe. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox this one. I have my handy dandy scissors right here. Alright. I'm just gonna unseal it. And I'm just gonna dive right in. Oh boy. So the first thing that is on top is this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and this is a little sample size with 4 different swatches in it. So one thing that they're starting to do is they are going to start putting concealers and foundations and stuff like that in these Boxycharms now. And so this month they sent all of us swatches so that we could try certain ones out, and then it gives us directions, I think, either in the packet or, oh, it's over here, about complexion customization, and we just send them a notice about whichever ones worked for us the best, or they also have other swatch photos, I think, somewhere that we can look into, on the back there, and we let them know which one is going to work for us. So I think that is really cool. I could always use more face products because I don't tend to use those a lot. So I think that's great. The theme this month is Boxycharm Stellar. I got Variation 18 Heart. So on the back it talks about the complexion customization, and then it also talks about a Boxy pop-up, which is coming tomorrow, and it's up to 80% off certain products, so I might try to look into that potentially. And then it does also talk about Boxy Luxe on here, which one day I'm gonna upgrade to. So, alright, so if we open this up, I'm going to be expecting an eyeshadow palette, a serum, a Dose of Colors matte lipstick, a berry antioxidant mask set, and a 2-piece brush set from Boxycharm. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. I also like that they put, you can't really see it, but they put some foam in here to kind of protect everything, which is really nice. The first thing that I'm pulling out is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the color Date Night. Now, everyone that I've seen on YouTube that has unboxed this so far has gotten the color Charm, and that's the one that I really wanted, but I think this one is actually supposed to be like a darker version of that. That's really pretty. I've never tried a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick before. Oh my god, that is bright red. Holy heck. That is really pretty. I wish it was a little darker. I really like dark liquid lipsticks. This is a little bright for me, but I'm definitely going to try it out. The formula seems really nice, really soft. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Like I said, I've never used a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I have the eyeshadow palette that I got on my last Boxycharm on my eyes today, and I'm excited to try this out. So the next thing that I'm pulling out of here, it looks to be the brush set. So this is a duo brush set from Boxycharm. This is their actual brand, and these are face brushes. Just put this right here. These are really interestingly styled. I've never seen anything like these before. So they are very densely packed. This one is really good for contour. You can kind of see right there. It's really thin, so you can really get into the hollows of your cheeks if you want. And then this one I'd say is really good for blending out the contour because it's a little bit thicker, but it's still really, really dense and still has a thinner shape to it. So I'd say this is probably really good for like blending it out, maybe going in with some powder specifically on like a contour area if you wanted to. So I think these are really interesting, and I love the way that they're shaped, like the handles and everything like that. I think that's really, really cool. Like I said, I'm excited to try these out. I didn't realize that Boxycharm had their own brush set until this month. So I think that's really cool that they included these in here, and I'm excited to try them out. So next up, I believe I actually got to pick this one out. I vaguely remember getting an email about this because now we have the option to choose one item in our box every month. So they'll give us like a list of options and we get to choose which one they send us. So I vaguely remember picking this one. So this is from the brand Kypress, and I've heard so much about Kypress. I've never used their products before, but I've heard that they are really, really good. And this is the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So as you guys know, especially when I wear foundation, my skin tends to become very, very dry. Right now it looks a little shiny actually, but especially when I put on cream products on my face, it tends to become very, very dry. And so I figured this was a good one for me, and I've never actually used a serum on my face, so I think this will be really, really fun to try out. Like I said, I've never used Kypress before, but I've heard so much about them, so I'm really glad that I finally get the chance to try them. And I will let you guys know how this goes, maybe on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should. It's KJP2021SU. I post some makeup stuff on there, but also just some stuff about my life, and I just think you should follow me on there. You should also follow me on Twitter at KelseyFinza. So I'm saving the best for last, so I'm going to go in and pull out the two face masks here. So these are from the brand Haru Haru. That's what it is. And they are the McKee Berry Antioxidant Mask. It works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even-toned complexion. So this is what they look like. It looks like it's a Japanese brand, which sounds about right based on the name. And they are sheet masks, so you're supposed to leave them on for 10 to 20 minutes. And it's free of parabens, harmful substances, cruelty, animal origin ingredients, and artificial colorants. And it has an organic 100% content standard. So that's really, really cool. And I love masks, and I'm very excited to try this out. So thank you very much, Boxycharm, for sending me face masks that I can do soon. It's becoming final exam time. I need to de-stress with some masks. So last but not least, I'm really excited about this. So for those of you that don't know, Dominique Cosmetics just recently launched, I think within the past year or so, and she created a palette specific for Boxycharm members. So this is the Celestial Thunder palette. I've never used anything from Dominique Cosmetics before, and I'm very excited to. So this is the palette. Like I said, this is the Celestial Thunder palette. I believe the full-size palette is the Celestial Storm palette. And that's one that she has on her website, but this one is exclusive to Boxycharm members. So this color in the corner here, Eternal Light, holy heck, that looks beautiful. This Mystic Ice color as well, this blue down here, absolutely stunning. I think this palette is gorgeous. The mirror is amazing. Like, look at how good that is. You can see my little calendar there. I think this is gorgeous, and I'm very excited to use it. I love the ratio of mattes to metallics and silvers. I think more mattes in a palette are really good, and I think this is beautiful. This is 12 milligrams, I believe, and it is cruelty free, which is awesome. Also, the packaging is just really, really pretty. That is everything that I have in my Boxycharm for you. I know this was a pretty short video compared to what I normally do, but I just wanted to film this and show you guys all what I got, and I will potentially on my Instagram story go over all of the products once I've used them all and talk about each one of them individually, so keep an eye out for that if you do want to see my first impression and review of these products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you all soon. Bye, everybody.